don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're updated on my new videos. Thanks. What is up, V Nation? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vin Daddy. So right here we have a 2016 Honda Pilot. I did a service on it and I changed the air filter and the cabin filter. So the air filter is fairly easy. There's 3 tabs that you just gotta pull down, and then the cover for the air filter should just lift off. And same putting it back in, you just slip in the new air filter and then flip the tab back up and should be locked into place. And then the cabin filter, it's by the glove box, so you just gotta pull the glove box down and then push the sides towards the middle while pulling towards you, and it should come down. And then you just gotta pull on the 2 sides of the cabin filter casing and it should slide out. And just keep in mind the direction of the arrow that was pointing down, and you want to put the new filter that way too, arrow pointing down. Anyways, I just want to show you guys quickly what this 2016 Honda Pilot looks like. So that's what this Honda Pilot looks like, guys. Very nice, really spacious. Just got a nice center console here. So one thing I forgot to show you guys, I already done it, but let's say you have to reset the oil life settings. Sorry, it says set. Okay, make sure the vehicle's on park, and then you just want to go to vehicle, maintenance info right here, and then you just click this reset. But right now it's already set to 100%, so yeah. Press all the way back. Beautiful day in Vancouver, BC today, guys. Look at that. Nice and sunny. It was raining earlier, but for some reason the sun came out, which is nice. There's them boats again. Anyways, guys, thanks again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.